Whenever anyone says joint pain, we only think of humans. Majority of Indians tend to suffer from arthritis as they grow old. But this problem is prevalent in the dog world too. Many of our four-legged friends can and do go through acute pain due to joint and muscle problems. Keeping in mind the language barrier we have with our dogs, it's best to watch out for the signs because prevention is better than cure. Some of the most common injuries or problems dogs tend to get are hip dysplasia, disc prolapse, and an ACL injury. Hip dysplasia is basically the malformation of the hip. It is a deformity of the hip which happens during the growth years of the dog. Hip dysplasia happens when the head of the femur and the socket in the pelvis, also known as acetabulum, do not grow at a uniform rate. It is more common in bigger dogs. Disc prolapse occurs when too much weight or pressure is put on the spine of the dog. The simpler term for this is slip disc. This pressure leads the disc to herniate or move from its actual place to push the spinal cord, causing immense pain and discomfort. In severe cases, it can even lead to paralysis. An ACL injury is the breaking or tearing of the ligament of the knee. It happens due to trauma or stress on the ligament due to pulling or jumping. It is the rupturing of the cranial cruciate ligament of your dog. Since dogs cannot directly tell us what they are going through or the discomfort they are feeling, it is best to have a keen eye towards your dog. Watch the way your dog is walking. If she can get up immediately or needs help in getting up. Whether your dog is walking on all fours proportionately or favoring any limb. In case of extreme pain, your dog might become lethargic and may give up eating. If you feel that your dog is exhibiting any one of the symptoms mentioned above, then a trip to the vet is due. The most common joint problem dogs belonging to smaller breeds face slipping patella. Patella is a kneecap which is present in both humans and dogs. When the patella loses its central alignment and slips to the left or the right, this injury is caused. A very severe and recurrent slipping patella may require surgery. However, a one-time episode can be cured by the right exercise. Breeds like Dachshunds, Pomeranians, Terriers are very susceptible to it. Dachshunds especially face this because they are long. The moment their weight grows, the center of gravity changes, and there is immense pressure on their spine. Maintaining your dog's weight is a task difficult for many dog parents. We tend to show our love by giving a few extra bits to eat or a cheat meal here and there. It is advisable to express your love and affections by actions more than giving extra food. Actions here would mean watching your dog's body weight and making sure she doesn't gain extra pounds which could overburden her spine and legs and cause her harm. Be cautious of overfeeding and its effects. In bigger breeds, the tendency to gain weight is higher, resulting in a change in the biomechanics of the joints. The muscles gain extra fat, putting pressure on the bones leading to problems like arthritis. Optimum weight is essential. Since arthritis cannot be cured, it is best to keep it under control and not let it worsen. Nutrition plays a significant role in weight management of your fur friend. While watching your dog's weight, do not cut out on the nutrition she needs. Keep in mind that your dog needs animal protein. Vegetables are also essential to give your dog's muscle and joint the strength she needs. Chicken feet are incredibly high in glucosamine and chondroitin, both of which are essential for joint health. If your dog is suffering from severe joint pain or inflammation in the muscles, then you can supplement her food with the capsules called green-lipped mussels. It is rich in omega-3 fats and antioxidants and will strengthen your dog's joints. Veggies like spinach, pumpkin, and zucchini can be included in your dog's diet. You should limit the intake of sugar in your dog's diet. Fruits like mango and banana should be given, but in a limited amount. Just like us, dogs like a good massage too. And when suffering from joint or muscle trouble, if there can be an alternative to pushing a pill down your dog's throat, then it should be explored. There are various methods of doing physiotherapy in dogs. It depends on the kind of injury or problem your dog has. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel before leaving.